Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in a Ford Edge. First, let's identify the common issues that can cause your AC to blow warm air. We'll check the refrigerant level and system pressure, which are often key indicators. Then, we'll inspect the AC compressor clutch to ensure it's engaging properly. These initial steps are crucial for diagnosing the problem effectively and getting your cool air back. Many Ford Edge owners experience warm air due to low refrigerant, which is a common culprit. Another frequent issue is a faulty blend door actuator, preventing your system from switching between hot and cold air. Sometimes, the problem is electrical, stopping the compressor from engaging and circulating refrigerant. Understanding these common problems helps pinpoint the exact cause for a quicker fix. For simple fixes, recharging your AC system with the correct R134A refrigerant can often restore cooling. A clogged cabin air filter significantly reduces airflow, so replacing it is an easy and effective step. Also, cleaning the condenser fins improves heat exchange, boosting your AC's efficiency. These straightforward solutions can often resolve minor AC performance issues without needing a mechanic. While many AC issues are simple, some problems, like refrigerant leaks, demand professional attention for proper repair. A failing compressor also requires specialized tools and expertise for replacement. Don't hesitate to consult a certified technician for complex diagnostics or repairs. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.